Hola, my name is Zoe. I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina, and I'm a tutor from OCTB. In this video, I wanted to tell you about the dulce de leche, one of the most traditional sweets in Argentina. It was created in 1829, almost by chance. A mixture of milk and sugar was left on fire more than necessary, and it turned into a thick and brownish substance. Currently, there are several types of dulce de leche, but the two best known are the dulce de leche clásico and the dulce de leche repostero. Let's talk about the first one, the dulce de leche clásico. This one is the most common one. Its main characteristic is the brightness and its lightness. Most people eat it on bread or toast and also in desserts. On the other hand, the dulce de leche repostero, it is more concentrated, opaque in appearance and thick. It is used mainly in the pastry and confectionery industry. It's the one used for dough and cake fillings, for example. And now I will show you the most common uses for dulce de leche that I see on my daily basis. These ones are called facturas. It is pastries with different fillings, but the most common here is the one that has dulce de leche. You can eat this on breakfast or maybe like a snack in the afternoon. These ones are called churros, and it's a very common snack to eat at the beach. Most of these are filled with dulce de leche. Anyways, it is not just a beach thing. You can get this any time of the year, anywhere. Like pastries, you can eat this in breakfast or it can be an afternoon snack. And another common use for dulce de leche here is for filling cakes. Every birthday cake has at least a little bit of dulce de leche on it. And finally, I wanted to show you how to make one of the most traditional sweets in Argentina, the alfajorcitos de maicena. The dough is made of cornstarch, flour, sugar, butter, and vanilla, and it is filled with, of course, dulce de leche. It also has grated coconut on the outside. These are very common on birthdays, but like all the other sweets that I show you, you can get them anywhere, any time of the year, and eat them on breakfast or maybe in the afternoon. Let's make one. It's the easiest thing to do. You just have to put a lot of dulce de leche in one of these little cookies. Put the other one like this, and that's it. The final step will be putting the grated coconut on the outside in the parts with dulce de leche. These are delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye, ciao!